Hello, I'm Jessica Ryan Keeney. I am the Department of Child Support Services attorney for two small Northern California counties. What I'm about to say today is not legal advice. It is for educational purposes only. Please always be sure to double check with an attorney who can give you advice for your case specifically. With that out of the way, go ahead, like the video, subscribe, ding the bell so that you get notifications when we upload more content. And if you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. We won't necessarily answer them, and if we do, it won't be legal advice, but they always make for good conversations. This video discusses how many months' income the court should use in determining average income for a party when setting guideline child support. In relevant part, Family Code Section 4060 states the following. The monthly net disposable income shall be computed by dividing the annual net disposable income by 12. If the monthly net disposable income figure does not accurately reflect the actual or prospective earnings of the parties at the time the determination of support is made, the court may adjust the amount appropriately. And then Family Code Section 4064 states, the court may adjust the child support order as appropriate to accommodate seasonal or fluctuating income of either party. And there's some case law on this matter. We have Marriage of Riddle, which the citation will be in the description, and in relevant part the court held that the trial court abused its discretion by calculating income for pendite lite child and spousal support orders based on only the latest 2 months of a salesperson's earnings. The trial court should have used a properly representative sample, which on the record would presumptively have been the previous 12 months. And then there's the marriage of Pletcher, or Henry Pletcher. And in relevant part, the court cited the Riddle case and held a 12-month period is an appropriate period in most cases, but acknowledged that a longer period could, and in this case should, be conceivably used if it were more representative of a party's income. So what all this means is that the average income of a parent shall generally be calculated using a 12-month average. But if that doesn't reflect the actual earnings of the parent, then the court can use fewer months for the average income or more months from the average income for the average income. And additionally, the court can adjust the support to consider either party's seasonal or fluctuating income. In some cases, using less than a 12-month average is inappropriate. In other cases, using more than a 12-month average is appropriate. It really just depends on the facts of the case. Thank you for tuning in. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Any answers will not be legal advice, but they always make for great discussions. Like the video, subscribe, ding the bell so that you get notifications when we upload new content. And thank you again for tuning in.